We've invested an incredible amount of time, money, and energy, created and staffed a whole division focusing on the cloud, and that remains the most rapidly growing part of our business. For us now, it's a strategic part of our business that we anticipate will be the lion's share of our business moving forward. We feel that interactive intelligence is unparalleled in its ability to offer a level of trust to customers who can rely on the 20 years of innovation we've demonstrated in the business, the degree of functionality that we pack into our solution, and the flexibility that gives them multiple modes of deploying that technology.
We find ourselves as Interactive in a very unique position as being the only cloud-based provider that not only provides the breadth of functionality that they need, but also owns that functionality from beginning to end. One of the questions that we oftentimes get from customers once they understand that we actually develop all these applications on our own is, are you just broad or are you deep as well? Because the customers that we deal with, while they may be looking for a broad range of functionality, they also need that functionality to be extremely well developed to be able to meet their business needs. Not only do we do all this, we do it really well. We are leveraging an application that we have over 15 years time spent developing across a broad range of capabilities and a broad range of features. And that really sets us apart from our competitors who are trying to acquire the individual technologies rather than having all the expertise that Interactive brings to the table as the company and organization that actually created the entire concept of a consolidated application suite.
We have this fantastic application, but it doesn't do our customers any good if it's not up and available at all times. One great thing about here is we really bring on the right employees. To me, ultimately, our service is not only defined by the technical aspects and the processes we do, but also by the actual people we bring in. So availability is a very, very critical element for any kind of contact center. When they're down, they're losing money. So we're in charge of making sure that they're always up, they're always available, and that every single thing we see, we've got incident management, we're on top of it and making sure that it's being handled appropriately and in a timely fashion. All our data centers, whether you're in the Americas, whether you're in the European Union, EMEA region, whether you're in APAC, we watch all that from our NOC today. But reliability is ultimately, it's crucial to the success of our customers and to their businesses. Again, we've developed this fantastic software that can really bring a competitive edge to our customers and to their market spaces, but if it's not up, it's not available, it's not working effectively, it brings none of those promises. We have a 5.9 SLA of availability of our application services to state that we are here, we are part of that game, we are a partner with you, and we are going to be there to make sure you're available and you can consume our software and ultimately, bring your business to the next level.
Everybody here realizes how important and how critical information security is and how foundational information security is for our business. We audit ourselves against the SOC 2 trust principles requirements, where we do this design phase first, and then the next step in the process is validating all those design requirements in detail to ensure that they operate effectively over a period of time. So it is a comprehensive framework that we attest toward to give the customers the level of assurance and confidence about our systems, so they can sleep at night that we are taking care of their systems, their processing of their data with the utmost due diligence.
Interactive Cloud, or CaaS as we call it, is very flexible. This flexibility comes in different forms. The first is architecturally, so flexibility in how we architect solutions and how we do deployment models. The second is flexibility in pricing. It's a usage-based consumption model, so your agent count can go up or down. There's flexibility in contract lengths. There's a lot of flexibility in features, how you can turn them on and turn them off. And then finally, there's flexibility in deployment times, where you can do it as quickly or as slowly with ramp-up times provided to you.
Interactive Intelligence understands that it's important for customers to trust their providers in the cloud. Besides the investment that we've made in the technology around the world, we also understand that the last barrier for cloud acceptance is security. Customers need to understand that as a vendor of cloud services that we're going to be responsible with their data and that we're going to secure it. Interactive Intelligence is committed to the cloud. What that commitment means is that we're providing a resilient environment, a highly available environment, and a very secure environment.